Blue cut lenses are dying.
What? Blue cut lenses are dying?
But there is a new lens type for the eyeglasses of laptop and mobile users that can block 4 times more blue light.
4 times protection? Whoa! Which lens type is that?
Maya, I will tell you exactly which lens type of computer glasses blocks tremendous amount of blue light. Listen to me carefully.
Okay, I'm listening.
So by calling blue cut lenses, I am actually referring to those optical lenses which are non-colored. Since they are colorless, so they are also known as crystalline or clear blue cut lenses. But most of the people are usually unaware
Unaware? About what?
that crystalline or clear blue cut lenses hardly block 20% blue light.
What? Just 20%? Oh Lord, even I did not know that. So they are useless lenses, right?
No, they may be suitable for those who are less exposed to the blue light or spend only few minutes or hours in front of mobile or laptop screens.
Yeah, but 20% is very less. How do I block more blue light?
Just like you, a bunch of people in the United States also had same question in their mind.
Oh, who are those people?
Researchers. Maya, there is a university in the USA named University of Toledo. You know what they did? They asked 20 volunteers to participate in a study. Each one of them was provided with a special lens type. I will tell you the name of that lens type in next few seconds. So each one of them was provided eyeglasses with a special lens type. They wore them for 2 weeks and wrote the experience in a diary on daily basis. At the end of that study, it was concluded that those eyeglasses with a special lens type blocks a significant amount of blue light. It also helped improve the sleep quality and mood.
I am now curious to know the name of that lens type.
Amber lens.
Amber lens?
Yes, the study was conducted to check the efficacy of amber lenses only. Amber lenses appear softly yellowish and the view through it is very eye-soothing. They block a tremendous amount of blue light. Another best benefit of amber lenses is that they instantly improve the screen contrast, due to which the details of what is there on the screen becomes very clear.
So, it makes the things appear in high contrast, right?
Correct.
Tell me this, other than eye comfort, how do amber lenses improve sleep?
When blue light falls in the eye, the brain gets a signal that it is a daytime. But when you work on laptop or mobile screen at night and expose yourself in the artificial blue light, you know what happens? Your brain gets a false signal that it is a daytime even at midnight. As a result, you find it difficult to sleep. But if someone wears eyeglasses with amber lenses, this blue light gets blocked and sleep problem gets minimized. Instead of crystalline blue cut lenses, modern techies are now inclined to buy amber lenses in their eyeglasses as they block a significant amount of blue light.
Can kids also have amber lenses in their eyeglasses?
Anyone can wear eyeglasses with amber lenses. Maya, you know what? Earlier, this amber lens technology was only being used in Western countries for computer and mobile users. Zebriana brand made it available in India as well. Even Zebriana conducted a study by using a light sensing device. They found that amber lenses can block roughly 4 times more blue light than clear blue cut lenses. You can watch the video by clicking here. To order computer glasses with amber lenses, just visit www.zebriana.in or visit Zebriana store on Amazon.
That was so helpful, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, Maya.